In this video, you will learn about scrolling in a SYSVIEW display. Learning to scroll in SYSVIEW will allow you to see all available data on every screen. There are many different ways to scroll in SYSVIEW. Throughout the video, you will notice that the scrolling methods are similar to ISPF standards. Let's explore some of these options. One way to scroll in a SYSVIEW display is to issue commands in the command line. These commands include left, right, up, down, top, and bottom. Each command controls a data area in a different way. For example, issuing the down command scrolls a data area down, while the right command scrolls a data area right. The most common way to scroll in a SYSVIEW display is with the PF keys. Double-check the PF key area to see what your PF keys are mapped to. In this example, PF7 is up, PF8 is down, PF10 is left, and PF11 is right. Using the PF keys to scroll is exactly the same as issuing its respective command. Notice in a display such as this one, some columns remain fixed in place when issuing the right and left commands. This setting, as well as the ordering of the columns, can be changed through your profile format. As you can see, the row and column information is listed in the top right of the display. The column information is separated by fixed columns and scrollable columns. The amount of data that is scrolled up or down is based on your scroll value. In this example, the scroll value is set to page. This means that issuing the down command, one full page of data will be scrolled. The scroll value can be changed by overtyping the field. Let's change it from page to half. Half will scroll only half of the data area. Notice the middle row is now the current line and more data rows are displayed. Another option for the scroll value is cursor. This allows the user to place the cursor over the row that they wish to be the current line. Type down in the command input field and put your cursor on the desired row, then press enter. The scroll value can also be changed to data. Data will scroll the display one page minus one row. Finally, the scroll value can also be a numeric value. For example, setting the scroll value to 5 and paging down will scroll down 5 rows. It is important to know that setting the scroll value in these ways only changes the scroll value for the current display. If you'd like the scroll value to be set across all displays, use the all parameter. For example, type set scroll value page all to set the scroll value across all displays to page. You can move any line to the top of the data area by putting a / in the line command field and pressing enter. Similarly, by typing a / and pressing enter, we'll move the chosen line to the bottom of the data area. If we only want to scroll down 5 rows, we can issue down 5 in the command input field. The max parameter will bring you to the edge of the data area in whichever direction you choose. Let's try it by issuing the down max command. Notice we are now at the bottom of the data. We can also use the commands top or bottom to achieve the same result. Let's try using a column name as a parameter. If we want IO count to be the first column in the data area, we can type left IO count. Now let's make user ID the last column by saying right user ID. As you may have noticed, left and right are not controlled by the scroll value. By default, left and right are set to page. We can manually scroll left or right with the half, data, cursor, or numeric value parameters. This wraps up our tutorial on scrolling in a SYSVIEW display.